to win the Wheelieville roll race!
Oh, Buster, it's not about winning. It's about having fun. The Wheelieville roll race, fun, fun, fun!
Fully charged!
If I turbocharge myself, I'll easily win. Next stop, winning!
What's taking Buster so long?
Hey, Bandit!
Buster, are you okay?
What? Yes, sir. Ready? Absolutely.
Ready, set, go!
Cones, another one here.
Whoa! Tree, bush, cat. Oh, Scout's house. This is turbo-tastic! I'm gonna win!
Not again!
Buster! Are you okay?
Oh.
Buster, did you overcharge?
I'm sorry, Jada. I thought if I had more charge, I'd be faster. I just really wanted to win. I can't have fun stuck in a bush. I just want to race with my friends. Go Buster! There! Fully charged! Next stop, the Wheelieville roll race. Fun, fun, fun!
Yeah! Buster, you're doing it!
Bandit! You're going so fast!
Oh yeah! Look at us zoom!
Yeah! Yay! Woohoo! Yippee! Yay! Now that was a turbo-tastic roll race, Bumper Bunch. The Wheelieville roll race, fun, fun, fun!
Buster, you said there's an emergency at the car wash.
There is! I've decided I want to be an emergency vehicle today, but I couldn't decide which one. So,
You decided to be all of them?
Uh-huh. I'm a fire ambulance police car bus. Next stop, emergency! Aw, there must be an emergency here somewhere. I want to use my sirens.
Being an emergency vehicle isn't all about the sirens, Buster.
Look! That kitten must be lost. Emergency! Ah! Hey, wait! Kitten, come back! Next stop, kitten rescue!
Buster, wait!
I'm trying to rescue you, silly! up a tree, eh? I'll rescue you. Activate ladder! Ah! Oh, this is kinda hard. Oh, I think the kitten is scared of me. I have to help her, like a true emergency vehicle. Gobuster! Gently, gently. It's okay, little kitty. You're safe now.
Looks like you worked out the first rule of emergency vehicles, Buster.
It's not all about the siren. It's about helping people and paying attention to what they need.
That's right! You make a great fire ambulance.
I'm a fire ambulance police car bus.
Whatever. I can't wait to see the shooting stars. By my calculations, the best place to see them will be up the top of the mountain.
Loading map. It's go time. This way. Follow me.
Shouldn't we stick to the road?
We'll get to the shooting stars in time. Promise.
I have a bad feeling about this. Nothing can stop me!
Uh-oh.
Oh, skid marks. I'm stuck.
Me too.
Oops, sorry, Ash.
Diggly, quick. Pull us out.
We're gonna be stuck here forever! I knew this stupid shortcut was a bad idea. Why couldn't you just go the way I wanted for once? Never gonna miss the shooting stars.
We will see the shooting stars. We can get out of this.
How?
I've got a brilliant idea.
Forget it! No one can hear us! According to my calculations, we'll miss the shooting stars for sure.
Wait! That's it! Diggly, what happens when you add water to mud?
I don't know. It goes gloopy, I guess.
That's right! And if we make it gloopy enough...
we'll slide out.
Go backward bunch! Let's move!
Ash! Splash!
It's working!
Look out! The cliff edge!
It's not a cliff edge, it's a stunt jump. Follow me!
Buster, are you sure about this?
Trust me, Diggly. I won't let you down this time.
You, that was some shortcut.
Whoa! Look!
Ooh. This is a great viewing spot. We made it after all.
Sorry, Diggly. I should have listened to you. Next time, maybe we'll just stick to the road. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Next stop, hide and seek. How to find my friends? Hey, I'm Diggly. According to my calculations, piles of leaves make excellent hiding spots. Woohoo! I'm Speedy Scout. Vroom, vroom, vroom. No one can find me. Beep, beep! Found you!
There! My 575th pile of leaves done! Go Rubble! Hey! Why don't you be more careful, you little tire skidders?
No, I'm Mr. Rubble, and I always ruin everyone's fun. Near, near, near. Ha ha! The perfect hiding spot. Ooh!
I don't ruin everyone's fun, do I? I guess. Oh, nobody likes me.
Oh, Mr. Rubble's really upset. Did I do that? Oh, I didn't mean it. I feel so bad. Go, Buster.
Found you, Buster.
Found you too, Diggly. Huh? Forget hide and seek, guys. We need to help Mr. Rubble.
Mr. Rubble.
No, it's bad. We hurt his feelings. And we need to cheer him up. Next stop, leaf cleanup. Aha! All tidy. Ta-da! Beep beep! Rubble Bunch reporting for duty. I wanted to say sorry for making fun of you. So we cleaned up all the leaves.
Wow, you kids have done a great job.
I did it! I won hide and seek.
Say, Mr. Rubble, why don't we tidy up this last pile together? Next stop, ice cream.
Roll up, roll up! Time to try the new ice cream car wash on this hot, sunny day. All exciting flavors!
So many flavors! I want to try them all!
Not so fast, Buster. Only one ice cream per vehicle per day. Those are the rules.
Huh? But it's so hot.
No buts, Bandit. Now, skedaddle.
Why does Mr. Rubble always ruin the fun?
If only we could sneak past him.
Wait, Bandit. I've got a brilliant idea.
Mr. Rubble, come look at this. There's a cloud in the shape of a forklift. It looks just like you.
What? Where?
Look, it's up there. Look.
That's where I'm looking, but I can't see it.
To the left and the right.
Well, where then?
Mr. Rubble, did you even know what a cloud is? Bandit, let's go. Oh well, my mistake. Bye.
What? Hey! Stop right there!
Run, run, run!
Come back here, you little tire skidders!
This way.
What? No, this way.
That's a dead end down there. Oh? Huh?
Run!
Stop this flim-flammery.
Shortcut!
Ice cream avalanche! You.
Buster, Bandit, why did you take all this ice cream?
I'm sorry. We just wanted to try all the flavours.
And we were so hot.
This ice cream was for everyone to share. taking it for yourselves wasn't a nice thing to do. But you know, all these flavors melted together taste pretty good. Maybe you'd like to share it with your friends?
Roll up, roll up!
Get your rainbow ice cream here. All the flavours in just one scoop. I'm going to be the fastest bus in the whole wide world. Next stop, the moon.
According to my calculations, Buster, the rip-roaring rock-star rocket will make you turbo-fast. Just a few more adjustments. Oh, come on, Diggly, let's go! Ready, steady... Whoa!
Ah, whoa!
Painting the wall. Huh? Oh, ow.
Sorry, Mr. Rubble. Ah! Ah! Oh, no, 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 no! Ah! I'm stuck!
Don't panic, Buster. I know where the key card is. I think.
Help! Get me out!
It's okay, guys. I found the key card.
Oh, no! No, this is awful. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad.
Hey, give it back! Oh, this is a disaster. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic.
Guys, stop! You're scaring him. You need to slow down. We need to take a breath and think. If we can't get to the bird, maybe we can make the bird come to us.
Oh.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Tweet, 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 tweet,
Thanks, little Robin Dude. Bye-bye, little buddy.
Hey! What are you little tire skidders playing at?
Mr. Rubble, slow down!
I'm trapped! I'm trapped! Get me out! No! No! No!
It's okay, Mr. Rubble. We can get you out.
Just need to take it slow.
Whoa! The frightful forest.
That's spooky. Let's explore. Next stop, Frightful Forest.
I don't know, Buster. Those clouds look really dark. What if it rains?
Relax, Scout. It's not gonna rain. Come on, Bumper Bunch. Let's move. I've never been here before. Maybe there are monsters here. Or a secret treasure.
Buster, wait up. We'll get lost.
Diggly, relax. I'm a bus, remember? I know where I'm going.
Guys, I don't like this place.
Ash, relax.
Don't worry. According to my calculations, the chances of a storm are... It's really loud. I don't like it. Oh, lightning is very dangerous and we're made of metal.
Nobody panic! Nobody panic!
Buster, what do we do?
Guys, relax.
We can't relax! It's pouring with rain!
Diggly. It's so wet. I can't see where I'm going.
No! I'm out of charge!
Nobody gets left behind. Come on, Scout. We'll push you.
It's a river!
The path has flooded. We're trapped.
What if we sink? Or rust?
We can get across. If we go together, we'll be strong enough. We can do this. Bumper bunch. Let's move.
I am a brave adventurer.
Come on. Let's get out of here.
We made it! Thanks to you, Buster.
Sorry I led us into the rain, but we made it back together. Well done, everyone. Da-da-da-da! Come on, Bumper Bunch. Let's move. This way to the Zip Zoom racetrack.
Whoa! Watch out for Speedy Scout. Slow down, Buster.
Whoa!
What is it, Buster?
It's not on my map. It must be brand new.
Interesting. It's some kind of colour car wash. Whoa! Check this out!
Yes, yes, yes! That's awesome, Scout. We can all be different colours. Let's go, go, go!
I don't know, guys. Maybe we should just go back to the racetrack.
Relax, Ash. We'll go racing later. This is going to be such a fun adventure. This car wash is the best thing ever.
Oh, Buster! Let's make this go even faster.
Yes, yes, yes.
Buster, are you sure we should do that? Oh, come on, Ash. Don't be such a slow coach.
Diggly, how do we make it faster?
Budge over, Buster. Push this, pull that, punch this, and there! Turbocharge!
Littering.
Oops.
We're gonna be in so much trouble!
Ash, you are a genius.
A what?
We can use your hose to clean all this up. Bumper Bunch, let's go!
What's all this then? What mischief and flim-flammery is going on here?
Hey, Mr. Rubble. How are you?
We were just, speeding to the racetrack. Nothing interesting here. No paint explosions at all.
That's a nice hat. Is it new?
There's something funny going on here. I feel it in my hubcaps. Nobody can trick Mr. Rubble. Nobody. I can sense mischief.
Mr. Rubble, no!
Buster? Buster!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Scout! You didn't think I'd forget my best friend's birthday, did you?
Oh, thanks, Buster. It looks, delicious.
Oh, it was delicious. But don't worry, Scout. I have more surprises. Follow me. But close your eyes. No peeking. No peeking now.
Buster, where are we going?
It's a surprise!
Is it the racetrack? Wait, I know! Are we going to the disco tunnel?
Even better. You'll see. Okay, peek. Wait, surprise!
What are we doing in Jada's garage, Buster?
You'll see. It's a special surprise.
Did I mention it's a surprise?
Ready, Scout?
Sure?
We're going to turn you into a race car. You'll be the speediest car in the whole town. Go, go, go!
Buster, you missed one.
This is fun. It sure does take a long time, though. But it's worth it. Only the best for my best friend.
Buster.
Maybe I'll be a mechanic someday.
Buster!
Oops. Sorry, Scout. I promise my painting will be better.
Painting? But we've just come from the car wash.
Oh, double oops. That was a surprise too. Come on.
Everything okay, Buster?
Yup. Oh no! I've used the wrong colours. I just wanted to make you feel special on your birthday. Now I've messed it all up. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. I've had the best day. This is so much fun.
It is?
Of course. What could be more fun than messing around in the garage with my best friend? Woohoo!
But we were supposed to have a photo.
Not yet. I've got a great idea. Buster, it's time for a makeover. Not like buses to be late. Whoa! This was the best birthday ever!
You're welcome, Scout. This was so much fun. Ready, Diggly?
Sure. You look super cool.
Ho, ho, ho! It's me, Santa! I fly on my sleigh, delivering all the presents in just one night. How, you ask? Well, it's simple. Magic.
Magic? Santa can't deliver all those presents in one night. He must have robot helpers. And sleighs don't fly. Maybe he uses a helicopter.
No, guys! He uses magic!
Magic's not real. Huh?
Whoa! That looks magical! I bet it leads right to Santa! Next up, Santa!
Buster, are you sure about this?
Yes, it has to lead to Santa!
Ho, ho, ho!
There! Guys, did you see? Huh?
Oh, Buster, I'm hungry. Maybe we should go back home?
No, we can find Santa! We just need to follow the magic.
Oh, Buster, magic isn't real.
Oh, maybe magic isn't real. But Christmas is the most magical time of the year. I can't give up now. Go Buster!
Huh?
We're almost there. Come on!
Ho, ho, ho! Buster, Scout and Diggly, fancy seeing you here.
Santa! We found you!
Does your sleigh really fly? Do you really deliver all the presents in one night?
Of course.
How?
Why, with magic.
I told you so.
Now, I'd best be off, but I could use a bit of a push. Would you help me? Ho, ho, ho! Off we go! Merry Christmas, Bumper Bunch!
Oh, wow! We're flying! Without wings!
Oh, rockets! Magic is real!
Merry Christmas, kids!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Santa's grotto has come to Wheelieville!
Ho, ho, ho! Time for your presents!
Oh, wow! I can't wait to get my present! Oh! Oh, tumbling tyres! This is gonna take forever! Ash, look!
Ho, ho, ho!
We can sneak in through the back door.
But Buster, isn't that cheating?
Oh, come on. We'll just have a peek inside and find our presents. Next stop, Santa's Grotto.
Wow!
This is turbo-tastic! Look at all the presents! Maybe I'll get a siren or digger tracks! Let's go! Nope.
Ooh! Wow!
Nope. 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 Where's mine?
I'm almost got it!
Ow! Ah! Oh no! This is a disaster! Santa is gonna be so mad! I've gotta fix this! Gobuster!
Nice and naughty. Oh my goodness!
Oh wow! Santa! Sorry, Santa. We just really wanted our presents so bad.
You know, kids, if you wait until Christmas Day to open your presents, it's much more magical.
Oh! Come on, Ash. Let's fix this. Next stop, clean up.
Ah, spick and span. Merry Christmas, kids.
Yay!
Huh?
No, Ash. It'll be more magical if we wait until Christmas Day.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, kids.
With massive sharp teeth and a terrifying growl.
There's a monster in there.
It's okay, Ash. Monsters aren't real.
Are you sure about that? Or are you just scared?
I'm not scared.
I am.
We should go find out if the monster is real, like detectives. Bumper Bunch, let's go!
Sure. Just, try and keep up.
There is no way anyone will enter the forest now. Nobody could miss this sign. Nobody. What flim-flammery is this?
Hello? Mr. Monster? Are you there? We're monster detectives. We want to know if you're real.
Ah!
Are you frightened too?
Of course not.
Bumpers, my map doesn't work here.
When I get my wheels on those little tyre skidders, I'll...
What was that?
That's just the wind. Stopping a bunch of scaredy buses.
Oh,
The monster!
It's real! Run, run, run!
Bandit, wait! Look out!
Ah! Buster, help! I'm stuck! Buster!
Stop there, Mr. Monster. I'm a monster detective, and I'm not afraid of you.
I am afraid of you, but I want you to go away.
ow!
Huh?
Ah!
Mr. Rubble? You're the monster?
Oh, what's so funny? I'm lost! How will I find my way out now?
Just follow the tyre tracks.
Hey, Buster. So, thanks, I guess. You know, for saving me and stuff.
That's okay, Bandit. A bus never leaves anyone behind. And now we know the monster isn't real after all. Mission accomplished.
Of course monsters aren't real, you silly kids.
Buster, Buster, Buster! Here, a my plan!
Oh no!
Bust down! Bust down! Buster, are you okay? Buster, your tooth is broken!
What? Ah!
By my calculations, Buster, your tooth is about to fall out. You will have to get a robot tooth to replace it.
What?
This is all my fault!
Don't be silly, Diggly. Everyone knows when your tooth falls out, you lose it forever.
Forever? Forever? Look, a tooth. Maybe we can get help there.
We'll never get there in time.
We have to get there. Ash, Scout, sirens on.
We're doomed.
What are we gonna do, Buster?
Okay, so here's the plan. Scout, you... Scout? Scout!
Vroom, vroom, vroom! Bet you can't catch me, Mr. Rubble!
Stop this flim-flammery at once! I'll get you!
Sorry, Mr. Rubble. We have a tooth to save.
Are we nearly there yet?
Yeah, I'm running low on charge.
Yes, I think so. Just one more road.
Buster?
We can do this.
Look, there it is.
No! My tooth!
Yahoo! Congratulations, Buster.
But it's gone. It's gone forever.
Yes, it is. But a bigger one will grow in its place.
A bigger one? I don't have to get a robot tooth?
Dearie me, no. And you can keep your old tooth.
Wow! It's amazing!
That's even cooler than a robot tooth. I want to lose my tooth next.
Can I have a go, Buster?